Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Josie Baluyan. I'm 35 years old, live-in partner, blessed two daughter, 10 years old and 1-year-old baby. About my experience as a DH in Kuwait for 2 years and 6 months, October 19, 2014 and March 21, 2017. My duties there is take care dog, take care children, washing plates, washing clothes, ironing, cleaning the house, and cooking basic Arabic food. About my experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 3 years and 4 months, 2020 to 2023, my duties there is washing plates, washing clothes, cleaning the house, washing car, and ironing, and take care children, and cooking basic Chinese food. For example, steamed fish, steamed pork, steamed egg, vegetables, and soup. Ma'am and sir, please hire me as your new helper. I promise that I will do all my duties and responsibilities. Thank you and God bless.